Hey everyone, check out the Wdemna Mini Fridge, a compact 4-liter cooler that holds 6 12-ounce cans. Its small size makes it perfect for bedrooms, offices, dorms, cars, and even camping trips. The fridge features adjustable DIY shelves, ideal for organizing skincare, makeup, snacks, and drinks. It runs on both 110V AC and 12V DC power, so you can use it at home or on the road. This mini fridge cools down to 39.2 degrees Fahrenheit and warms up to 150 degrees, giving you versatile storage options. Thanks to its thermoelectric technology, it operates quietly and energy efficiently without harmful freon. Plus, its built-in handle makes it easy to carry wherever you need it. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.